When most people think about cryptocurrency, they picture volatile asset prices and trading hype. However, the true breakthrough of this technology lies in something far more structural called decentralized finance, or DeFi. Traditional finance relies on centralized intermediaries like commercial banks, clearinghouses, and brokerages to establish trust and execute transactions. DeFi completely shifts this paradigm by rebuilding these familiar services on open public blockchain networks. This means instead of trusting a corporate institution to hold your funds or verify your identity, you rely on mathematical consensus and cryptographic security. It is an architecture designed to be entirely transparent, open to anyone with an internet connection, and operational 24 hours a day without standard institutional gatekeepers. To understand how a financial system can function securely without a central authority, we have to look under the hood at smart contracts. A smart contract is simply a program stored on a blockchain that runs when predetermined conditions are met. Think of it like a highly sophisticated digital vending machine. You input a specific command or asset, and the machine automatically dispenses the corresponding output based on hard-coded logic. In traditional banking, if you want to take out a loan, you must submit paperwork, verify credit scores, and wait for manual approval from an officer. In the DeFi ecosystem, you interact directly with a smart contract. You place digital assets into an automated pool as collateral. And the contract instantly issues the loan to your wallet according to the programmatic rules. There are no credit checks, no regional restrictions, and no human biases involved. The entire process is executed by code. The entire process is verified by thousands of independent computers on the network and recorded permanently on a public ledger. This structural shift introduces several unique properties that are impossible within traditional banking frameworks. The first major aspect is composability, often described within the industry as financial Legos. Because these protocols are open source and built on shared network standards, different applications can plug into one another seamlessly. A lending protocol can connect directly with an automated exchange, which can then link to an asset management tool, creating a highly efficient network effect. Furthermore, DeFi provides unparalleled transparency. Every transaction, collateral ratio, and contract code is completely visible on the blockchain for anyone to audit. This eliminates the hidden systemic risks and opaque balance sheets that have historically caused traditional financial crises. It gives individuals complete custody and ownership over their wealth, removing the counterparty risk of a bank freezing an account or mismanaging user deposits. It represents a baseline for an open and accessible financial future. While the potential of decentralized finance is significant, a balanced perspective requires looking at the technical realities and safety factors. Because this ecosystem removes the middleman, it places the absolute responsibility of security onto the individual user. There is no customer service hotline to call if you lose your private access keys or interact with an unverified contract. Security in DeFi rests entirely on the integrity of the smart contract code. If a protocol has an undiscovered vulnerability in its programming, sophisticated actors can exploit it, resulting in a loss of pooled capital. This is why a core pillar of navigating this landscape safely is conducting thorough research, interacting primarily with heavily audited protocols, and understanding that experimental code carries inherent technical risks alongside its structural benefits. As the technology matures, security frameworks and user experiences are steadily evolving to make decentralized systems far more resilient. Ultimately, decentralized finance represents a fundamental evolution from institutional trust to algorithmic trust, creating a baseline for an open and accessible financial future. If you want to learn crypto with calm, clean, beginner-friendly guidance, follow if you want to stay updated with future lessons.